Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you two gorgeous rustic decor for winter decoration using Dollar Tree canvas. The first project to begin, I'm gonna be using these two different sizes of canvas frame that I got on Dollar Tree. I will be taking the canvas off because all I want is just the wood frames, and I will use the canvas in later projects. I am using my X-Acto knife to cut out this canvas. I'm gonna leave these staples because they will be covered with giant popsicle sticks. As you see, I need 6 giant popsicle sticks to cover the back end of this frame. So I need only wood for this project because today I'm part of another collaboration of What Would You Make? This collaboration is hosted by Zaina at Okea Home DIY, with another host is Connie at Connie's Creative Creations channel, and the co-host for this month is Repurposed My Way. So don't forget to check out these talented crafters channels in my description box below, as well as the playlist where you will enjoy watching amazing crafters making beautiful DIYs for decorations to inspire you using wood. Now I'm cutting the rounded edge off so that I can glue this down to make a flat back into this frame, and hot glue them across the back. I'm hot gluing these popsicle sticks in the back to hold other sticks together using my hot glue to have a solid piece. I'm painting this piece with my brown overlay wax using the baby wipe all over this piece, and wipe it with baby wipe. And then I'm taking this white chalk paint. When it's fully dry, I'm going to distress that white part to make it look warm and kind of giving a rustic look to my project. I'm hot gluing this piece in the back of this wooden frame, and now I'm working on this small wooden frame to make my project. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and please make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to leave me your sweet comments. So I grabbed some branches or tiny branches from my backyard. I'm hot gluing these pieces inside this small wooden frame like that. I'm dabbing with this brown paint using my wipes all around this frame. Give a rustic look to this decor, adding this fern, look like a palm tree, these snowflakes that I painted before, add them in each corner of the small wooden frame. Some details, some small trees all around. With this fake snow that I made before, I'm adding more snow, more details. I'm spelling the word snow with the stickers on top of the small wooden frame, and these heartbeats on the corners, then my hanger with wooden beads, everything with wood, and this is my cute and beautiful rustic winter project. What do you think, guys? If you like it, let me know in your comment below. And let's jump to the second DIY now. For the second project, I have been using this canvas frame too. I'm cutting out this canvas from this frame to use it for another project. I want to use this wooden frame to make my second project. I will be making a back to this wooden frame, so I'm using these large popsicle sticks that I got from Walmart in the back. Before that, I have to paint this frame with my white chalk paint all around this wooden frame. Now let it dry, and now laying down these sticks or popsicle sticks, stick them together all together with these sticks in the back using my hot glue to have a solid piece to cover the back end of this frame. Now I'm painting this piece with white chalk paint and hot glue it on the wooden frame in the back. When it's fully dry, I'm lightly distressing this piece with this sandpaper in the middle and all around. I'm adding these branches. I have two pieces of branch. I'll add them in the corner. It looks like a tree. And to protect these branches, I'm giving a coat of this clear Waverly wax to protect this piece of woods. Hot gluing on this frame. To decorate this project, I have been using this clear ornament, plastic ornament. Adding some Mod Podge on my stuffing to add it inside with some trees and this fern. I cut a piece from this fern and small trees that I got from Dollar Tree, like that. Push them inside and lock. Okay, and this ribbon to give a small bow on the top of this ornament. Adding more details like this fake snow that I made it before. I hang this ornament and another small ball ornament that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm making a big bow on the corner of this frame. A cute blue ribbon. Add it in this corner. Hot glue it. I want to add more details to this project. Adding these half wooden beads in the sides, in each corner, and in the center, and other pine cone with red berries. Glue them on the branch. Add some fake snow. I have the recipe on the screen, and these wooden trees that I got from Jay, my friend Jay. Her channel is the Creative Flamingo channel. She is very creative. So I'm using these trees that she sent me. I cover it with a marker and some fake snow. Now I'm changing the small bow that I have on the top of the plastic ornament. I changed it with another bow. I didn't like the first one. I'm cutting pieces of leaves from this fern to add it to this branch. It looks like trees with frosty leaves, like this. I love it. What do you think, guys? I put some details to look like a real branch or layer tree. If you like it, let me know in your comment below. It's an adorable piece. Voila, that's it with this canvas frame. Let me know down in the comment section which one your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And see you soon. Bye. À bientôt.